In January 1910, the United States experienced one of its most severe blizzards, affecting areas from the Rockies to the Great Plains and beyond. Dubbed the Great Blizzard of 1910, it began with heavy snowfall on the 12th and lasted several days. Over 45 inches of snow fell in some regions, paralyzing railroads and isolating communities. This storm revealed the vulnerability of infrastructure to extreme weather, as trains were trapped and towns cut off. The blizzard resulted in numerous fatalities, with estimates ranging from 200 to over 1,000. As a pivotal moment in weather history, it prompted improvements in forecasting and emergency response, reshaping how society prepares for nature's wrath.